So you're questioning things that you're doing on your business. You're questioning on your marketing. You're questioning social media. Like, why isn't anybody responding to any of my stuff that I have online, or things that I'm posting and videos and all kinds of stuff? But the thing is, do you know if you're doing it the right way? You don't know these things. Sometimes it takes time to do some research. Well, I'm here to tell you, I'm here to help you with that. I'm going to show you and give you information on what's not working, what's working, and why you're having these issues. So let's just get into the video and let's just talk about it. Guys, this is Donald B. I'm the social media expert here on your YouTube channel. I'm here to tell you guys how do things work and how to make it effective for you. You want people to be engaged in your stuff? Okay, I'm going to show you how to do these things and make it happen. But just to introduce myself, again, my name is Donald B. I'm the one who is on here showing you how to do these things. I have a TikTok channel with my family. We have over 170,000 followers, which grew pretty quickly for us. Doing very well with that because it's just how the social media game works. You gotta know how you just gotta know what makes it work to make it flow. You know what I'm saying? Just make it flow. I want to talk to you guys today about how social media helps you out. I'm gonna give you 3 main things that you need to pay attention to when it comes to social media that you don't realize. Because sometimes you just got someone to tell you these things. Someone needs to tell you. Someone needs to tell you how it works. So let's go. Let's get into that. Before I do that, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and leave me comments. Any questions you have down below in the comments, let me know what you have. Let me know what things that you want to know, and I'll tell you how to get it done and make it happen for you. All right? 3 things that I feel is very important for social media. 3 things that I think is going to help your channel grow, your business grow, whatever it is you're trying to do online. Social media is a great tool to utilize. It's out there. Everyone's on social media. People are walking around social media. So you need to have these things. You need to be prepared to know how to use it, how to make it work. It doesn't just involve posting things, because people don't respond sometimes. But let me tell you what will help and what will work. Number 1, first one I want to talk to you about is consistency. If you're not consistent, no one's going to find you on social media. Posting once a week, it's probably not the greatest idea because they don't know who you are yet. You need to be consistent with your posting, or just posting just whenever you feel like posting. That's not the way it works. Posting just because you feel like posting, okay, that's up to you. But are you trying to grow your channel? Are you trying to grow your fan base? Are you trying to grow clientele and customers? Then you gotta be consistent. Imagine having a store that's open once every so often. You go to the store, it's closed. Then next day you find out it's open through somebody else. Like, what? You lose customers that way. You lose people that way. You can't be inconsistent. Consistency is very important through social media. You have to grow on there. That's the only way it happens. If you're not consistent, I promise you, you can just give it up. That is one of the most important pieces that I feel like is the top priority, is consistency. If you don't have that, then I'm telling you it's going to be a struggle for you. You will struggle if you're not consistent. Engagement. Here's the thing. You need to engage. It is called social media for a reason. It's not called quiet media. It's called social. Social means to speak, communicate, talk. You need to be able to engage with everyone. You need to be engaged with whoever making comments, liking, responding, anything like that. If there's no engagement, there is no communication. You must be able to communicate with your people. You must be able to communicate with your fans, your customers, your clientele, anyone that you're trying to address, anyone that you're trying to get their attention. Just remember, if you don't engage, nothing's going to happen. It's just like me saying hello. Somebody's going to say hello back to you. You want them to say hello back to you. Don't just leave it open. When you're making posts, don't just leave just a blank statement. Leave an open-ended question. Leave something that somebody will respond to. Leave something that gives them a reason to communicate back with you. Because the ones who are interested will say something and will respond to you and find out and ask for some more information if they need to. It's very important that you do that. It's all about engagement. If you don't engage, then they're not going to find you. There's a lot of different ways to engage. If you want to push somebody somewhere, then you need to leave an option for them. Don't give them no option. Give them an option. Give them several options. You leave them a link to a site. Leave them your email. Leave them your phone number. Whatever ways you want them to communicate with you, leave that. But one of the biggest things when it comes to posts, leave an open-ended question. Make there be engagement. Start a conversation. That's very important. And number 3, one of the things I think is really important that people don't have is patience. Here's what I can tell you. You can post all you want to. Sometimes people aren't even saying anything. Some people are just watching. I used to be that person that when I had Facebook, I had like 5 likes throughout the entire year. For the first few years I've had Facebook, I had 5 likes. I really had to like your post in order for me to have a like on there. Why did I do that? I don't know. That's just me. But it doesn't mean I wasn't watching what people were doing. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. People are watching you. Don't think they're not watching you. Just because no one's made a comment, like, anything like that on your post doesn't mean they're not watching. Because they can be watching behind the scenes. I post a lot of things online and people are approaching me all the time. Yo, I saw your thing online. I'm like, what are you talking about? You never said anything. It's like, well, I just watch behind. And that's what most people do. They just watch. You just look. Doesn't mean they're not watching you. They're looking at your stuff. Some people look at your stuff every day. I used to do like quotes every day. And people told me when I said I was going to stop, why are you stopping? I'm like, well, no one's responding. There was actually a lot of people that was actually looking at my quotes every day because it gave them a sense of purpose. It gave them an idea of what to do. So don't pay attention to people not responding. Don't pay attention to just the dry of the air. When I say the dry of the air, meaning no one is saying anything to you. They're watching. But that's why I say it's best to do open-ended questions. Because if you give people an opportunity to ask a question, or let them know that you're open to questions, then more than likely they may say something. But like I said, just be patient with what you're doing because it does take time with social media. Let it build up because it will get there, it will grow, but you just got to be consistent with it. If you follow these 3 keys, I promise you will make your life so much easier on social media and it'll help your business grow faster. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go. I'll talk to you later. My name is Donald B. Doses.